because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. We're back messing with the Rx8. A lot of upgrades are coming for the Rx8, which are good, but are also bad at the same time. So one of my customer had basically an accident. Their car caught on fire, and because of that, I actually ended up helping them out by buying some of the parts of the car. So some of the parts that we bought are these gap speed control arms. Brand new, you never got a chance to put them in the car, so I'll put them to good use. So I'm putting those on it, and the cool parts are pretty much still in the car, so I'll have to take them out the car. This thing, believe it or not, it's on some brand new BC's whisper spring, and the coolest part that I was actually trying to find before any of this happened is the R3 bumper. So I have an R3 bumper now that I need to get a paint match to the car to make it fit. The engine that I bought came out of an automatic car, so it literally had like no flywheel. So I had to reach out and then find a flywheel, which it's not the best clutch, but it worked. So clutch and a flywheel. So I'm gonna put that on the car too. And the last cool part about this car that I ended up getting from him is the HKS single exit exhaust. So you can see it here. Super nice. So this weekend I'm just gonna put everything on the car and get it running, hopefully. I'm not sure how far I'm gonna get on it because I'm waiting on some parts to come in from Koyo and Elite and another company, so we'll see what happens. But basically I have 99% of the parts to get the car running. For now we have to wait on some bolts for the flywheel. We're just gonna go ahead and put the suspension on and make it look a little nicer. The little boys. Look how cute these things are. Over it? Yeah. Oh. Hold on. Hey, step on this real quick. Alright, you're good. Yo, I accidentally cut one side bigger than the other. The car's like tilty. Alright, so these are the front ones. You can see they got a little hot, so I'm about to replace the top hats and most likely the shock. I'm not sure yet, but the spring's still good, so gotta order those parts and then get them put on the coilovers and then put them back in another Rx8.
You need to do that one, just this one and that bottom one. Nah, do these two. So now, it should go in easy.
The first thing you want to do before you put this back in is make sure it's all the way down. You need the max low.
Yo, that shit went up a lot, dude.
That's extra support.
Yeah, I was gonna say fucking leave it.
There's extra support. Now all you need is a license plate.
And a license. Hey, your car's still registered, right?
Yeah. Put Evil 8 on it. Nope.
That's it. Oh, that more, man.
Need a better hammer.
Brad sponsored.
Sponsored by Brad.
Dang.
Look, Yo said friends don't let friends use shitty parts, so he gave me his clutch. And I took courtesy getting his flywheel bolts too.
Good luck finding it though.
But my favorite color is blue too.
Oof.
That thing. Here, you can sell those somewhere.
Oh, sweet. $200 if anybody wants them.
Signed by me with a picture. How come some go in and some don't? Oh, bro, these don't go in.
Yo, none of the bolts go in?
Nah.
Not even the ones that's for
They're
it?
right threads. This is just like stripped a little bit. Not stripped, but like not threaded, right? The part where the camera turns off, we just tighten the shit out of it and just go with it. Anyway, clutch flies off, it flies off. Mike!
What?
We did tap set.
What?
I don't know. Can you record me doing this so I can make a video of it? It looks cool on the other side. Instead of looking at me, I'll show the other side. That looks cooler. I showered.
Yo,
You
you're
can close right
the
here.
money shot, dog. What do you mean?
Yeah. You're supposed to like back in and out, but we're just gonna fucking send it. There it is. Look, watch. Ooh, son. Look. So we're gonna try it out now. Make sure the bolt works. Before it was a video of what not to do. This is what you should do. This thing.
Nice.
Don't buy cheap parts. That's what happens. Thanks, Brad, for the eBay clutch. I mean, eBay flywheel.
Alright, we're gonna. It's 360
Yo,
degrees.
stop threadjacking my fucking video, man.
Alright.
No
So
respect,
this
dog.
bolt has to be.
Yo, can you appreciate Mike's like ingenuity over here, fucking MacGyver?
Look, we have to turn this bolt 360 degrees, so it means that we have to turn it from here all the way around and back this way.
Yo, he knows how to do math. Isn't that fucking crazy? By his hair, you probably didn't know Mike was that smart. But look at it. That's a torque wrench. You can hear the click coming from Mike's elbow. Got brand new clutch in there.
Yeah, it's still got a long way.
Hey, Gil, how much does this thing make? It cost me like 500.
Something like that.
Yeah, so should be plenty of clutch for this shitty ass engine. There you go.
Thanks.
Damn, boy, he thick. So I got Mike to help me out put this engine in because it wasn't that easy. So the engine's in. I mean, and Gil too, because Gil gets sensitive if I don't say he helped me.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna put Gil later to clean all that red shit out the engine. But yeah, engine's in. I create the header, harness, lines, and then fire it up, see if it runs. Hopefully it runs.
It's not bad for $2,000. It's a $1,300 car and a $500 motor.
And a free clutch. All right, Mike, let's hope it turns on. If not, this guy's gonna get a beating.
It's gonna work every time.
First crank?
Yeah. Boom.
How?
Told you.
Rx8's don't do this. It's the first Rx8 that actually works. Acelero. Oh no, we gotta change that. You can't have that. It does have a leak.
I told you it had to leak.
Yeah, I got rid of this big old thing for this. But you can see, oh, you can't even see it. We put a clamp to hold the muffler on till tomorrow, so I can fast it up tomorrow. I want to drive this car right now. I'm going for the first test drive with Gil, and we might not make it to the gas station. We'll see. We might have to push the car for the first time ever.